Tagalog?
Bisaya lang.
Bisaya?
Pero nagtumba ko.
You've been living here like what?
Mit na Durga Tuig.
Where you live?
Sa Rizal.
Where?
Sa Lumaban.
Here in Surigao City? Okay. You have family?
Not here. Ako masawa lang.
You're married here. Where?
Sa Balay. Fantasy sa bata. Kunin na lang alas 3.
But very good kasi you know how to speak Bisaya already for 2 years.
Yes, good.
Where you from?
Germany.
And
Yeah, sure.
you have YouTube?
I have
Facebook?
Facebook and YouTube, but more Facebook than it.
Okay, can I have one?
It's like, but I only start actively 3 months ago now. So I started already longer the Facebook page, but I make videos now first for 3 months, maybe a few months.
Okay. Where are you from again?
Germany.
Germany. Okay. Nice. Because really, your Bisaya is very fluent.
Not yet.
Yeah, but I can understand you. It's very impressive because I know somebody lives here for 5 years.
I know people who live here for 10 years and they don't even know Salaman.
Right. And the way your pronunciation, your diction.
It's important because you have talks like that.
Yeah.
If you don't speak Bisaya, most people don't talk to you.
Always, if you are also eager to learn. Because I'm planning, the second judge station is in Macdo, where I can position well. So I'm planning to go there so that I can have.
That's a good idea because...
Let's go? You want?
We can also go there.
Let's go, we can walk on because it's just 2 blocks away.
But I thought the next one is...
Macdo. They have 5 stations.
I thought they only have 2 stations.
5. After there in Borromeo.
I only know this one and the ones are...
Borromeo.
It's Bahan.
Bilang-bilang. But they have 5. Because I look at the PIO whatever and says one is here and then the others.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our contingent number 3, performer number 2 for the Festival of Festivals category. From Barangay 4, Poblacion, Buenavista, Agusan del Norte, choreographer Johnny B. Chavez, official coordinator Vive Joy R. Rodriguez, contingent head Cecil C. Valdez. Ladies and gentlemen, performer number 2, contingent number 3, from Pundok sa Nagkayosang Binibistehanon, Municipality of Buenavista, Province of Agusan del Norte. Once again, contingent number 4 from Surigao del Norte National High School. Headed by our City Mayor, Honorable Pablo Ibel Aldo Segan, and of course, ang ato sangguniang pangungsod, headed by Honorable Alfonso Foncasora. And of course, ang ato Surigao City Provincial Office, headed by Ma'am Roslyn Merlin.
Pwede mo na ikot, sir.
Again, malipit sa hanggang ng Surigao City National High School and Ground